I'm Brett at GuideWise, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to share your Threads profile in the Messages app on your iPhone. What we're going to do is first open up Threads, and we're going to go to our profile icon on the bottom right-hand corner, and then we'll click Share Profile. Here on the very bottom, we'll click Share To. When you click Share To, it'll pop up an option like this. Typically, you will see your Messages app right here in the center, whether you're on Android or on iPhone. You will see your Messages app. You can tap on that. Then it will open up your message to whomever you would like, and you can type in this person. I've typed in my mom. Once you're ready, you can click the send arrow, or whichever it is. In this case on iPhone, it's the blue up arrow to send. Once I click that, it will send my profile to this particular person on Messages, and you are all set. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like this video so other people can find it as well, and subscribe to stay tuned for much more just like this.